guys hear us talking about breaking down a truck or breaking down your trailer a lot, I'm gonna give you an example of how I break down my trailer day shift, right? So, you know, I got 15 stops. A lot of the pallets come with more than one product on it. So let me show you how I break it down. I got all the number 10 dry goods right here. I got all the number 15. I got the dry goods over here. The cooler on the bottom. I got the 13 cooler right here, all sitting on pallets, of course. I got the 12s right here, dry goods, cooler in the back, 12s right there. That means when we pull up to the stop, we're gonna be ready to go. I got the 11s right here. I got more 11s over here. I got 13 right there. 13 dry goods. We got 13 cooler over there. We got 13 dry goods right there. So that pretty much is gonna save me a lot of time. You know what I'm saying? So one of the things that's gonna happen, right? If you do this early, the earliest possible, you're gonna keep your back door closed more and your temperature is gonna stay better throughout the day. We out, man. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video.